Today we're located in Cimarron mud area of Katy, Texas. We are doing a smoke alarm blitz in association with the American Red Cross. And the beauty about the blitz that we're doing here in Cimarron is that the Cimarron Municipal Utility District is helping fund the smoke alarms, the carbon monoxide alarms, and the other inspections that we do of the homes.
Well, ESD 48 and Red Cross have gotten together and they're providing free smoke alarms for anybody who have ones that are outdated. And Cimarron Mud got together with them and decided that since they were only providing 3 smoke alarms, that we will provide the additional smoke alarms and any carbon monoxide detectors that are needed to make the house even safer.
We find homes that are older that may have smoke alarms that are older than 10 years old. We partner with these communities to bring awareness and partner with Red Cross to exchange free of cost.
And we've been doing this for now almost 3 years. And what we're finding, especially in older established neighborhoods, we have homes that have no smoke alarms in it whatsoever. So we're coming in, we're putting smoke alarms in the hallways, the bedrooms, and the living areas of the residents.
We try to educate people to do a home safety survey, free of cost, where we come out one-on-one, talk to the residents and go over a 40-point check sheet about different areas of the home, including smoke alarms, CO alarms, trip hazards, overloaded circuits, and water heater area and stuff like that.
I had a personal experience about 20 years ago where I had purchased a carbon monoxide alarm, installed it, and probably 4 or 5 months later it went off at 2 o'clock in the morning. And to find out that the heat exchanger on our gas furnace had malfunctioned. If it hadn't been for that alarm, it's probably a real good chance that my wife, myself, and my family would not have woken up in the morning.
If you are a homeowner or a renter, take the time to check your smoke alarms. Be sure that they are under 10 years and they are not expired. Also, make sure that you have one in every room. So you can always feel free to contact us at CommunityTeam at hcesd48.org.